Sir, I can't hear your voice properly, sir.
Hello, hello. Can you able to hear me now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now you see. So Kaushik has
Yes,
taken,
sir, I can hear you.
yeah. Kaushik has taken 10 minutes to fill the tank, 50 liters. Do you understand? So he has
Yes,
created
sir.
a difference between these two tanks. Understand? Difference between these two tanks is 1 meter height. Means
Yes,
this tank is 1 meter height and this tank is 1 meter below. So that it has 2
Yes, sir.
meters to transfer. Understanding? So to
Yes,
fill
sir.
the tank 50 liters. Now I will give you to Kaushik now. Kaushik over. Now I will give you to Mari. Mari will say that, or else Hari, let me take this time Hari first. Understand? So Hari he is little bit having little bit intelligent fellow. So he has increased the height. He will increase the height. Then more faster water will fall. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Mari?
Yes, sir.
So now,
How, sir?
what he has done means, you can see, Hari kept the
Sir,
tank.
how?
That is what you listen. 100 liters of water is there. Now, this tank Hari kept 2 meters difference below. 2 meters difference below. So that you can see, if if elevation is more, then more faster rate water will falls down. Do you understanding, Ra? Do you understand?
How, sir? How, sir?
Means Mari, when the difference is, for example, you see Mari, two bowls are there. Observe very carefully, Mari. Two bowls are there, which is having both are connected with the pipe. Now, initially both are having the same level of water. Now, will you observe any transfer of water? Any
No, sir.
No, both are equal
I
level.
can't, sir.
You cannot. Now, if I will lift this tank to little bit more height, then automatically the water, we can observe that water will start.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Like that, if you keep on lifting
Yes, sir.
more height, more faster rate it will come down. Understand, Mari? Because
Yes,
this is
sir.
called as elevation. What we-
Pressure. Because of the pressure, sir.
Because of pressure difference. Understanding? So,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hari created 2 meters difference height so that he has finished within 5 minutes. He filled the tank till 50 liters. Is it okay, da?
Yes, sir.
Now I have given to Mari. Hari after Mari. So now Mari, he had thought little bit more. He know the pressure concept. If let me create more pressure so that easily I can fill the tank much even less time. So that he has increased the height little bit more. Let him made this 2.5 meters. Understanding height difference. So because of
Yes, sir.
elevation, understand gravitational force will be more. So that he has Mari filled the tank within 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes. You may observe here.
3 minutes.
Yes, the difference between the tanks is much more. In which case? Hari's case or Mari's case or yours case?
Sir, what, sir?
In which case the difference between the tank's height means the difference between the tank's height is more.
Mari, sir, Mari.
Yes. That is why he is taking less time because much faster rate the water will transport from one tank to another tank. Do you understand, Ingra?
Yes, sir.
The same thing will happen in the case of heat also. So that is what you have to note it down for your today's class. So last the 2 points I will say. Mari, see introduction itself taking 1 day. So if we take suppose if greater the if greater the difference, greater the temperature difference, greater the temperature difference between the bodies, faster the transfer of heat. Do you understand, Mari? Hari?
Yes, sir.
Faster the transfer of heat. That is what you should remember. So, if lesser
Yes,
the
sir.
temperature difference, then slower the transfer of heat. Do you understanding? That is why I said, why the Kaushik case, it will take much time. Understanding, Ray?
Because, yes, sir.
Yeah, the temperature difference is much less and elevation is also much less. So that there, in the case of water,
Yeah.
in the case of temperature,
That elevation only is Celsius, that is, sir.
but in the case of heat, we should not use elevation. We have to use temperature difference. Understanding?
Yes, sir. Temperature, yes, sir. Okay, sir.
This is the most important thing in our career, future. If you'll go anywhere in our future engineering also, mechanical engineering and all, everywhere it will come. Understanding? Always heat will transfer.
Yes, sir.
Heat of transfer. How we can fastly transfer the heat? How you can transfer? By creating the temperature difference, more temperature difference, we can easily transfer the heat from one body to another body. Do you understand, Mari? Hari?
Yes, sir.
So if the
Yes,
temperature
sir.
difference is much more. Understanding? Example, you can write it. Understanding? Body 1,
Yes.
100 degrees Celsius. Next, the body 2 is 50 degrees Celsius. Next, example 2, the body is 100 degrees Celsius, another body is 10 degrees Celsius. So, compared to here, rate of transfer is much more. Rate of transfer.
Yes, sir.
Rate of
In the 100 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius.
Understanding much faster, note it down, much faster.
Yes, sir.
Here, rate of transfer is slower. Understanding? Because temperature compared to the second case, temperature difference is less. Is it yes or no? Yes or
Sir,
no?
doubt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose another body, Kaushik wants another body. Let us take another body. So 3 fellows are there, correct? You people, 3 fellows. Now another
Yes, sir.
body 100 degrees Celsius. Temperature difference is, understanding? This is another body 80 degrees. Here, much slower. Understanding? Here,
Yes, sir.
much slower. Or else the slowest you can write. Slowest. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And that is because here difference is how much? Here difference is equals to 20 degrees. Here difference is equals to 90 degrees. Here difference is equals to 50 degrees. Do you understand, Ira? That is what.
Yes, sir.
So this is only called as transfer of heat. So if you want to transfer the heat much faster, what you have to do, Hari? What you have to do, Mari? You have to create the more temperature difference. Do you understand, Ra?
More temperature.
If
Yes,
greater
sir.
temperature difference, if greater the temperature difference, then faster will be the transfer of heat. That is what the statement
Yes,
is.
sir.
If the greater the temperature difference between the bodies, then faster the rate of transfer of heat. Rate of, you can give. Faster the rate of transfer. Here the words
Yes, sir.
you should write. Faster the rate of transfer of heat. Is it okay, Mari? The definition you can fill this word.
Yes, sir.
Faster the rate of transfer of heat. So that is what example you can write this one. 3 fellows you can write. Okay. So for example, first one
Yes,
is
sir.
first one is what you can take your 3 names. That is what my specialty, Mari. Always I will use your names. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Is it good or not for studying purpose? If you are involving our
Yes,
name,
sir.
we people will feel much better. Correct or not? So this is Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
Understanding? So you can take this is Mari and this is Hari. Is it okay, da? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All about understanding what is transfer of heat and when the transfer of heat is much faster, when the transfer of heat is much slower, and when the transfer of heat is zero. When the transfer of heat is zero, when the transfer of heat is zero, when the two bodies have
Where?
same temperature, when the two
Same.
bodies is having
Yes, sir.
same temperature,
Same temperature.
there
The
is
difference will be zero, sir.
the difference of the temperature, the difference between the temperature of a two bodies is zero. Then
Zero. So it is equal, sir.
understanding zero, it is called as
Yes, sir.
same temperature. Then we can say understanding there is no transfer of heat. That is also you can write. Why?
Yes, sir.
One example you can write. Right. Where I have written
Yes, sir.
that, I have told you here, correct? Where it is, I have taught you that. Here.
Sir.
Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Example I will say. For example, let us take Mari, Hari, listen.
Yes,
So
sir.
I have taken some iron ball example. Let me take an iron ball, understand, having a temperature of 40
Yes, sir.
degrees Celsius. How much it is? 40 degrees
40 degrees Celsius.
kept in
40 degrees Celsius.
in water, understanding, having a temperature of
Yes, sir. 40 degrees Celsius.
degrees Celsius. So you may observe here, iron temperature is equals to water temperature. So what will happen here? No transfer of heat.
Yes, sir. Like if the water cans are in same level, there will be no transfer. Yes, sir.
Iron is also same temperature.
sir.
So no transfer of heat will
Yes,
take.
sir.
That's all. I hope you understand very well, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What about what is transfer of heat and when it will take place much
Yes, sir.
faster, when it will take place much slower, and when it will stop?
Yes, sir.
3 things you should remember. So if you understand this, then
Yes, sir.
we will describe the various transfer of heat, understanding in a different kind of bodies, like from hot body to cold body, or else cold object to hot object to cold object, by different kind of modes. So that is only we can call it as modes of heat transfer. What we should call?
Modes of heat transfer.
Or
There
else-
are 3 types of modes,
Yeah,
no sir?
modes of flow of heat transfer, or else we can call it as modes of heat transfer.
Yes, sir.
We have 3 modes of heat transfer. One is
Yes.
convection, next one is
Convection, conduction,
radiation. Understand?
radiation.
So,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
why, sir, everywhere heat only transforming, then why 3 modes of heat transfer means? We have a different kind of matter. We have a solid matter, we have a liquid matter, we have a gaseous matter, or else we have a vacuum where there is no matter. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is why it is transforming. With matter or without matter doesn't matter. Understanding? Heat is transforming with or without matter. So that is why if solid is present, what type of some name we used to call liquid, what name? Gases, what name? And no matter at all, what name? So that is only called as 3 modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition. Nobody knows, Mari. If you'll say, I know 3
Yes, sir. Modes of
Yeah.
modes of temperature.
Yeah, modes of temperature. Not. They will
Modes of transfer of heat.
not Mari. Everybody will teach types of temperature transfer, or else modes of heat transfer. They will say the types of heat transfer, not the modes of heat transfer. So modes or else types, both are same. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Modes of heat transfer is the official word which we can use in a higher level language. Types of transfer of heat is general language. Everybody can speak.
Yes, sir. Shambhu sir will teach like that only, sir.
What?
Modes.
Modes, that is what he is actually a microbiology student. He knows that. I know that. I am also chemical engineering, so that I can use this one. Do you understand, Mari?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
in engineering, one of the subject in mechanics
Yes,
also, one of the subject is heat transfer. Heat transfer itself, one semester we will study. That much importance.